The first manual walking pad that deserves the name. Durable, quiet, lightweight and affordable. This is the Office Walker. Hi, I'm Johannes, the founder of Office Walker. Lockdowns, 2 little kids and a desk job wrecked my back and let me gain weight. Getting a walking pad changed everything for me. But cheap electric ones? They burn out fast and get loud. Really loud. After my third electric walking pad and endless research, I decided to build something better. And that's how the Office Walker was born. Now I easily get past 10,000 daily steps, my back feels much better, and my meetings stay silent. The Office Walker has no motor. It stops when you stop. Walk, pause, even jog, at your pace. No speed limits, no breakdowns. A complete mechanical redesign allows us to produce the smallest manual walking pad out there. It adds only 14 centimeters or 5.5 inches to your standing height, patent pending. Weighing just 25 kg or 55 pounds, it's easy to move, stand upright against the wall, or flip on its side to slide under your desk. Durable, quiet, lightweight and affordable. This is the Office Walker.